I can't believe it's been 10 years since we launched our very first Kickstarter campaign featuring the Qwerkywriter, the original typewriter-inspired mechanical keyboard. And now I'm so excited to share with you our 10-year anniversary edition of the Qwerkywriter here back on Kickstarter. Our anniversary edition Qwerkywriter is the culmination of over 10 years of building the Qwerkywriter. From the early Kickstarter versions to the first major internal components upgrade in the S model to the final hand-assembled custom Qwerkywriters built right here in California. The anniversary edition features for the first time ever on our Qwerkywriters hot swappable switches. Also first ever on our Qwerkywriters, from the legendary mechanical switch company, their latest and greatest, the Cherry Speed Silver switches, pre-lubricated and good for over 100 million presses. These are the quiet and linear switches you've been looking for. And finally, we feature this gorgeous blacked out dark chrome finish only available on the anniversary edition Qwerkywriters. If you're not familiar with the Qwerkywriter, there's still tons of fun features like programmable return bar and page scroll knobs found in all previous versions of the Qwerkywriter. You'll find them on the anniversary edition. Well, thank you so much for spending some time with me, specifically to those of you who backed our Qwerkywriter over a decade ago. I look forward to continuing our creative journey with all of you for the next 10 years, beginning with our new 10-year anniversary edition of the Qwerkywriter.